Hello students, in this video I would explain another stanza from the poem The Cloud written by P.B. Shelley. The poet presents this natural phenomena with scientific correctness and imaginative beauty. The cloud has been given almost a metaphysical and mystic treatment here. It has been presented as a divine, powerful force in the nature which connects and interacts with every other elements present in nature. In this stanza, the cloud claims to be a powerful being who is in the charge of, who is in the control of all the changes happening in the weather and nature. He says, as we know, the cloud is the speaker here. I refers to the cloud. The cloud says, I bind the sun's throne with a burning zone and the moons with a girdle of pearl. The volcanoes are dim and the stars reel and swim when the whirlwinds my banner unfurl. So cloud describes himself as a powerful being who enjoys his supremacy over all other phenomena of nature. He claims even to control and limit the power of the sun. He says, I bind the sun's throne and the moons, the volcanoes are dim and the stars reel and swim. And when all this happen, when the whirlwinds my banner unfurl, when the whirlwinds, which is winds getting stormy, when there is storm, which works as his banner, his flags, and when they are untied, when they are freed, then a storm can be seen in the weather, and clouds, dusty winds and clouds can be seen everywhere. A cyclone arises and a commotion in the sky can be seen, and in such commotion the cloud seems to bind and put a check, that is put a check and control the sun's throne, the sun's power, with a burning fiery and golden belt around him, and it seems to bind the moon with the belt made of pearl. The idea here is that in stormy conditions clouds are everywhere. They surround both the sun at the daytime and the moon at night. They surround them they surround the sun, which look golden bright as per the nature of the sun, and around the moon the clouds look pleasant full silver. The volcanoes are dim. The volcanoes erupting hot magma cool down, and stars seem to run uncontrollably here and there as if they are in fear. The cloud further says, from cape to cape, cape is headland that is projecting long in the sea. From cape to cape, with a bridge-like shape over a torrent sea. Torrent means a sea flowing with high currents. Sunbeam proof means which the sun rays cannot penetrate. I hang like a roof, the mountains its columns be, and mountains works like the pillar for the moon of cloud, the cloud which works as the roof. From cape to cape, the cloud which are everywhere, they are extended from one part of land to another, from one headland to other like a bridge. They make a foam, they take a form of a bridge over a torrent sea, over a sea which is flowing in high currents, and they work as a sunbeam proof. They work like a sunbeam proof where the sun rays cannot penetrate and the sun rays cannot reach the earth. I hang like a proof, and I hang like a proof, and the mountains its columns be, and mountains works like the pillars for that roof. Here you can see internal rhyme in the words proof and a roof. There is rhyme between proof and roof. The cloud further says, the triumphal arch through which I march with hurricane, fire and snow, when the powers of the air are chained to my chair, is the million-colored bow. We have to first read the line. When the powers of the air are chained to my chair, this will make the meaning more clear. So the cloud says, when the powers of the air, and powers of the air are storm and wild winds, that is cyclone. So when the powers, storms and cyclone are chained, are in control to the cloud, are in control of the cloud, then he claims, I march in procession with hurricane, and there comes along with him, the cloud, a hurricane, and there is also fire, that is lightning and snow. And then along with all this power of air or force of nature, he marches through the triumphal arch. He passes through the triumphal arch, and that triumphal arch, that is that victory door through which it passes, announcing its victory. The cloud announces its victory. That triumphal arch is the million-colored bow, a bow-shaped natural phenomena whom we all call rainbow. So it is rainbow through which the cloud passes along with hurricane, lightning and snow, which the sphere above its soft colors wove, and which sunbeams or sun rays present in the sky is weaving. These soft colors of the rainbows are woven by the sun that is present in the sky, in the clear sky, while the moist earth was laughing below, while the moist, the wet earth soaked with rainwater enjoys its refreshing beauty of nature. Thus we are to imagine that the clouds are passing through a rainbow, and the earth, which has just witnessed rain, is enjoying that refreshing beauty which mostly we see post rain.